While the origin or cause is actions related to the afflictive emotions, the 3 and 5 poisons, their result is wandering in the 3 worlds of cyclic existence, constantly weakened and tormented as we ceaselessly experience the deeds and sufferings of the 6 classes of beings. In the transmitted distinctions regarding the Vinaya, we read, "There's no sweet fragrance in a swamp of filth, no happiness likewise in the 6 realms, no coolness is there in a pit of blazing coals, and nowhere in existence is there any joy." In short, although the nature of all beings' minds is clear light, which is the essence of Buddhahood, it has become obscured by the adventitious stains of incorrect thinking. Motivated by thoughts of this kind, beings indulge in tainted deeds, thus producing the aggregates, constituents, and senses and fields of cyclic existence.